Aiden right now is trying to drink his milk while holding his car. Let's see how he figures this out. Aw, baby, you don't need to hold the car. I don't have an extra hand to help you right now, so I'm gonna have to help you. There's just something unbelievably cute of a toddler wearing a backpack. Oh, he doesn't know how to get it off, but it's so cute. He does not want to wear it right now. Maybe if he realized that he could start stuffing his toys in it. But as of right now, he's like, what is this? Get it off of me. So we just had a birthday party and a birthday. So many new toys. And we have a roll of toilet paper. This is what I need to watch when I need to remind myself that my child doesn't need an unlimited amount of toys. We have toilet paper, which is more than enough, right? And you ate some of it. And now we have the TV remote. We're not playing with any of our new toys anymore. Look who took almost a 2-hour nap. Was that you? Yeah? That was you? Alright, let's get ready for swim class. Mommy did some super boring adult things while you were sleeping. I pulled the weeds. Let's finish. We don't have time for the high chair right now, huh? We gotta go, we gotta go.
Time for swim class.
Yeah, we gotta go. You took such a good nap. You woke up just in time to leave for a swim.
With just enough time for lunch.
Or we have this guy right there, or this guy right there, or the pretty little sparkly one, or the popcorn one. I think we're gonna vote for the Superman one, because that's the one that Coach Ellen made. Do you want to put it in there?
Vending machine.
Put it in that cup.
I need real food. Warm.
You got food in the house, you could have brought food.
Drop it. Drop it.
I go.
In the cup.
You could have brought food.
How you doing?
I'm good, you good?
Go then.
Fantastic. Next time I know I can't run out. Next time I ran out, it took time to catch up to you.
Okay, put it in the cup.
Alright, well, I became worse with the school and work and so much, so I like to need it.
Then when you go in, you feel it.
Alright, I guess we're voting for the first one.
Thank you so much, and I go first.
Come here. Aiden. puppies would be a little more fun than an area rug.
Aiden, do you want to go look at area rugs?
He actually probably wouldn't mind it.
Yeah, he'd probably think that's kind of fun, actually. Well, we're gonna go look at some puppies. Remember the other day, Ashley said we couldn't get another dog, and look who's looking at puppies.
Well, they're just so cute. I feel Aiden's never seen a little puppy. I feel like that would be fun. Go on, let's go sit. I want them to match. I want them both to be brown.
Wilson's gray. Puppies. Finger.
Oh, he's so cute.
Don't eat my finger.
Oh, he's so cute. She was born on August 20th. So she's just a little over 2 months old. Aiden has a death grip on this. I want to show him a small puppy though. Oh my, seriously, I can't get it. You saying hi to the puppies? They're cute, huh? They're little babies. Okay, so we went to go look at puppies, and then we got to talking about how the place where Wilson was rescued, we knew it was kind of close to where we live, but it's actually like really close to where we live, like 10 minutes close. And it was literally 2 minutes from where we just were looking at puppies, which is crazy.
Yeah, but where I lived when I rescued Wilson was nowhere near here.
Right.
It was a 3-4 hour drive from here, so it's kind of crazy. It's like full circle.
Hear the puppies out there?
Woof.
Let's see. Let's see. I don't know. Super cute. Which one do you like? Which one do you like? Oh my gosh, this one is so cute. Where's Tinkerbell? Oh my gosh, she looked like Wilson. You're a girl, Wilson, and that one's really cute too.
Ah, got it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I want to play. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Whoa, look at that thing. It's coming to us like we're in the zoo.
And there was a dog that Tinkerbell at first that I really liked, but she's heartworm positive and she was really timid. I don't know if that would have worked out. But then they showed us another dog, Cece, who's a Weimaraner pit bull mix, and oh my god, I love her. So we're going back tomorrow and we're gonna bring Wilson with us and do a meet and greet, and hopefully Wilson behaves so that we can bring her home this weekend, because she needs to go to the doctor one more time for her well visit, I guess. Which Aiden has to go to his well visit too, so I understand. So the dog and the baby can do their well visit, and then maybe we could be a family of 4 this weekend. I don't know.
5.
5.
You're forgetting someone. Are you forgetting the baby?
No, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 5. Yeah, family.
Right,
of
that
5.
would be 2 dogs, 2 parents, and a baby.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yeah. Well, we went there thinking that maybe we could get another Weimaraner lab mix, but actually it turns out, we're pretty sure Wilson's a Weimaraner Ridgeback mix.
Yeah.
So he's developing that big stripe down the back with the hair that stands up, which is kind of cool because he has like a mohawk. But all along for the last 5 or 6, however long many years I've had him, I always was told he was a Weimaraner lab mix, and now he's turning into a Weimaraner Ridgeback. So never thought we would get a pit bull.
I like pit bulls. I mean, I was never against getting a pit bull, and especially a pit bull Y mix. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful.
It would just be fun because now we could tag pictures of her and say, "Don't bully my breed."
Yeah. Come on, Wilson, go get it. Go get it, Wilson. Wilson, go get it. Careful, baby. What a good Wilson. Oh, good Wilson. You let the baby take the pumpkin. Alright, we're gonna call it a night. It is time for bedtime over here. And we are excited to see if we are going to get another puppy tomorrow. So hopefully Wilson is on his best behavior. And I cannot wait. This one was super grumpy in the bathtub and now he's playing again. So he might get a few more minutes, but it is definitely approaching bedtime fast over here. So we will see you guys tomorrow.